This is it, Talwyn. Darkwater has to be here somewhere.
Be careful, Ratchet. Murder grass dogs have taken the planet. Unwanted visitor had bad representatives from here.
Alas, poor Captain. No one misses you but me. I miss you too, Rusty Pete. You may not have me body, but you'll always have me heart. The crew hates me, Captain. They don't hate you, Pete. They just don't understand ye. Why, you're my top first mate, you. Ah!
Guys, I'm not looking for any trouble.
Wait, we're just here to find a pirate. Captain Extra Darkwater?
Darkwater. You hear that, lads? This mangy stowaway seeks the ear of a dead man. How's about we arrange a proper introduction?
Get your paws off me!
Alright, lads. 'Tis a stone's cast to Morrow Caverns, and the pythons must be hungry.
Avast, ye scurvy swine!
Sweet eye of Azuni! It's Slag! Scourge of Polaris! Slay of Darkwater himself!
Righto! And I hereby banish this lumbax to Hulafar Island, where he will get exactly what he's looking for.
Aye, Captain. You heard him, lads. To Hulafar in 1, 2... Oh, just fire!
Not again!